Today's video features another repeat customer. If you've been watching the channel for any period of time, you should remember the female who was rolling around in the snow high on an unknown substance. Leave your clothes on. Leave your clothes on. We're out in public. People need to see that.
Oh, yeah.
So where do you normally stay? Today's incident revolves around the same person. And once again, a caller called police stating that there was a female white wearing a purple coat who was rolling around on the ground and appeared to be high on an unknown substance.
911, what's the location of your emergency?
South Highland and Providence.
Okay, what's going on?
There's a lady, I just came out the door to go to work. There's a lady on the ground rolling around. I don't know if I'm looking for my back porch, but she's like in the alley, rolling around.
The officer in this instance locates the female and finds a safe place to take her. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Go ahead.
Put me at Ogden and Solvent with that 34 from earlier, the female in the purple jacket that was rolling around the ground.
I copy.
Hey, hon. How you doing?
I'm going home.
Well, it doesn't look like it.
Down Hay, honey.
Where do you live on Hay? Talked to you before.
Yeah, I'm in the Elizabeth Day. I'm going home.
Yeah, you haven't lived there for a little while. Did you just move back in?
No, my grandma owns that house.
Yeah, but you weren't living there.
Yes, I've been living there.
Okay, well, last time I spoke to you, you were living on
On Hayden.
Burgess.
Burgess? No,
Well, you were staying with some people down in
No, I've
Burgess.
never lived on Burgess.
Okay.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Would you like a ride? Yeah, I'll give you a ride.
It's cold out.
It is cold out.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's why I'm heading right home. My grandmother's today.
Oh, she been in the hospital or anything?
Yesterday, I'm sorry. No, she's been dating Ohio with her daughter.
Oh, good for her.
Yeah, she don't give shit her daughter.
How's your son doing? Is he still around?
Yeah, he's at home.
Is he sober?
Yeah. Yes, sir. He's doing good.
Good.
Yes, and I think that little time is locked up
How long was he locked up?
for a little over a year.
No kidding.
Yeah.
How old is he now?
He's 17.
Wow.
He'll be 18 June 4th.
That's crazy. All right, I'll get you home.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, it got cold overnight. Did and it hurry. Give me 1 second. 191 of a female 5-1 out of this. Yeah. Good. Is he in school right now or? Okay. That's crazy. You know, one time I had to tackle your kid. I had to tackle him. I had to throw him on the ground one time. Yeah. Yeah, well, it was funny because I wasn't trying to. I wasn't even trying to. He was just... Yeah. He does. That's one way to put it. Well, he's got more than that.
4670 eastbound western Wilson.
Well, he was also an alcoholic. Now, wasn't he also an alcoholic? And he's not drinking anymore at all? Then he's not drinking anymore? That's good. Did he, has he gotten any taller? He was pretty little. Oh, is he? Oh, really? Yeah, he was skinny too. Huh. Is his dad still around? Okay. Your 20-year-old's doing good? That's fantastic. I'm going to come around and let you out. Oops. When I won my inning is 15. All right.
852.
All right, I'll be right over to you. Now these seat belts are weird. Let me do this. Yeah, there's an alarm. If I don't put it there, the alarm goes off.
Oh, okay, I got you.
All right, so you're just there.
Yep, I have here.
All right, take care.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks, you too. Say hi to your boy for me.